Hi guys. Get ready with us to go to the park at 10 to 8, and my mum's still asleep. Face cleanser. Now Paige is actually gonna cleanse her face. So we're just gonna do our skincare, guys, and then we will get dressed because we don't have enough time on the short. He says morning. Yeah, literally my mum's snoring, so we're now gonna get dressed. Guys, whilst Paige is back there getting changed, I'm gonna do a bit of my makeup. So literally I'm only gonna put a tiny bit on and then my lip gloss. Then this is my lip gloss.